Okay, here's a cumulative frequency graph question where the graph is actually already drawn for you, so you just need to read the stuff off it. So first question asks, use the cumulative frequency graph to find an estimate for the percentage of people in India who are aged less than 20. So we go to age 20, we go up, we go across. It looks like 42%. So the cumulative frequency tells you what number, usually, not percentage, in this case percentage, but what number of people or what number of values are up to this particular one here. So it looks like there's 42% that are up to 20, and so we can write that in as our first answer. Again, I could be wrong, it's hard to read off this graph. It then says age 54 or over, so we go to age 54, it's here, we go up, we go across, we read off, it looks like 88. Now for 88%, remember the cumulative frequency is up to that value, so if 88% are up to 54, that leaves 12% who are over 54, right? Again, these readings are rough, I could be wrong with these. So let's find an estimate for the interquartile range of the ages of people in India. Right, to do the interquartile range, I'm going to get rid of these lines now. Oh, or maybe not. So for the interquartile range, we need to work out what the quarter wave value age is, and we need to work out what the three-quarter wave age is. So what value is going to be a quarter of the way along? Well, it's going to be, if obviously it goes up to 100%, so a quarter of the way up is going to be 25%. So we go across and down, and we read off, I'll do the reading off in a second. The three-quarter wave value will, again, 3/4 of 100 is 75%, so we go across and down, and we read off the ages for those two. So I'll switch to the pen now. So 25%, that's the lower quartile. And it looks like that age, I'm going to go for 12. Hard to tell from my graph. And then 75%, that's the upper quartile. We go across and down, we get, it looks like 44. The interquartile range is the difference between the quarter wave value and the three-quarter wave value, effectively the range of the middle 50% of data. So it's the upper quartile, which is the three-quarter wave value, minus the lower quartile, which is the quarter wave value, so it's 44 minus 12, and I get it to be 28, although I could be wrong because it's hard to read my graph.